Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's been buzzing around lately. Bird's nest and its supposed benefits for hair growth. You might have heard about bird's nest being hailed as a superfood with numerous health benefits. But does it really help in promoting hair growth, or is it just another health fad? Let's find out. First things first, what exactly is bird's nest? Bird's nest is a delicacy in many cultures, especially in Asian countries, and it's made from the saliva of swiftlet birds. It's often consumed as a soup or added to various dishes due to its high nutritional content. Bird's nest is packed with proteins, amino acids, minerals, and other nutrients, making it a popular choice for those looking to boost their overall health. But when it comes to hair growth, does bird's nest really deliver? While bird's nest is undoubtedly nutritious, there's limited scientific evidence to support its direct role in promoting hair growth. Hair growth is influenced by various factors, including genetics, hormone levels, and overall nutritional status. While the proteins and nutrients found in bird's nest may support overall health, there's no specific research confirming its efficacy in stimulating hair growth. However, bird's nest extract is indeed used in many cosmetic products, particularly in skincare. This is due to bird's nest extract is valued for its purported skin benefits, including hydration, anti-aging properties, and skin brightening effects. It's often included in moisturizers, serums, masks, and other skincare formulations. So, should you start incorporating bird's nest into your diet in hopes of growing luscious locks? Well, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients for healthy hair, but relying solely on bird's nest may not be the solution. Instead, focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals your hair needs to thrive. When it comes to cost, if you consume it daily, it would cost you around $200 to $500 per month. Compared to some of the hair loss treatment costs such as minoxidil, it only costs about $20 per month. If you're experiencing hair loss or want to improve the health of your hair, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice and recommend treatments that are backed by scientific evidence. And there you have it. While bird's nest is undeniably nutritious, its direct impact on hair growth remains uncertain. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet is key to achieving strong and vibrant hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.